Hello everyone, dear friends. Today, I will be comparing two interesting phones can be said to be tops for their money is a brand new Infinix GT 10 Pro and already released at the beginning of 23 Poco X5 Pro is already such a phone that many people bought it on the market a long time ago, and it is still for sale and will be sold before the release of X6 Pro. Which one? It's better to buy them. They cost about now $300, both options, and let's do it now. Let's look at them as we see Infinix a little more boxed just recently. So Infinix in my dark color, black and orange is in my color. For now, Infinix looks like GT 10 Pro, and now I'll show you what Poco looks like the way they are about the same size. Looks like, yes, look at the size. They are very similar. Well, in general, even in style, somehow remind each other, but here, of course, more interesting rear design. There's something unusual here. Some kind of 3D panel, LEDs built right here near flashes that flash if you messages arrive on charging phone. Put here, of course, the design is more calm, more mature, so more minimalistic. This more youth, I said. So according to the configuration, both smartphones have something like this useful thing like a silicone case, which is already included and will help you protect your phone from scratches. In addition to this, Infinix has branded stickers, which you can stick somewhere cool. Next, Infinix has it protective glass, good quality. In addition to this, the film is glued to Pocophone screen, does not come with glass. He only has factory film now, according to Charging Power, who has charging faster, while background charging 67 Infinix, charging 45 watts wins here, while the background it will charge faster. But Infinix glass, yes, basically everything I see. Yes, now we'll see for ourselves. Smartphones, let's figure out which one is better, more powerful, better photographs. Yes, guys, look, they have the same location. Buttons volume. Rocker power button is on one side, but for now background here is a scanner, and Infinix has a button regular scanner because right on the screen like flagship SIM trays on Infinix. The SIM tray is located on the left side pack out 4 below, Infinix also below. There is a jack for wired headphones. In the meantime, Funtic is at the top of the Pocophone Infinix infrared port and USB charging port in both cases while the background is all matte black color. These are the sidewall matte, the backdrop is matty, and Infinix is the opposite. Look all so shiny, glossy, more catchy, more pretentious design. In short, Infinix has it the ability to install 2 SIM cards and simultaneously with a flash drive micro SD. That is, it has a double-sided SIM tray. And this probably the best decision so far. Background, he also has the opportunity put 2 SIM cards. But he doesn't have one possibility to install a flash drive, that is, you see the 7172 flash drive. It doesn't read it, of course, minus. So, well, let's now take them, let's run it and see who's faster. Turn on, they work on different processors here. MediaTek's here, Snapdragon, they are off now 1, 2, 3, pressed at the same time. And wait, so the first Infinix caught fire. And so far, a little later, my logo lit up. By the way, Infinix memory, Infinix with 8256 memory. For now, I have a little bit of Infinix memory faster, too. 8256 Infinix faster, started up, still thinking for now, too. Started up, and so the dimensions are 162 and 7 length Infinix, 162 and 7. So far, background 162 and 9, a little higher. Width 75, 976 thickness, 8179 weight, 187 grams, 181 gram. That is, well, damn. Practically they are the same in all dimensions to me. I was wondering who has less frames. And you know, the feeling that you did as if in the same factory because frames, well, almost the same. I know, well, maybe the top frame. Yeah, look like this. If you look, see the difference. No, it seems to me that the Infinix has a slightly thicker frame than the GT 10 Pro front cameras are about the same. Infinix may have a diameter of a little smaller on the left, here. Larger diameter side frame seems the same to me. Bottom frame, I guess it seems the same to me too in terms of the quality of the screens I now have at maximum brightness in both smartphones installed. So let's go to the settings screen. There is also a screen here. Yes, maximum brightness. 100% here, I can also say 100% screen settings. So the frequency, first of all, our frequency is 120 maximum hertz in 2 smartphones. Frequency 120 hertz is AMOLED, matrix AMOLED screens. I can say, so I'm looking now. Well, there are no major differences. I see it a little more differently here. Customized white color, but which one is better? Come on, let's check with ours. Make it smaller and brighter. It will be less noticeable in general. So, well, I don't see Shima either here or there, generally. Although a little bit here, a row. Damn, no, I know from the screen. Honestly, it seems to me that they are about the same for someone I can't give preference to one right, if you see the difference in colors. Somehow it seems to me that in general, everything approximately similar, very bright screen, very saturated in size. By the way, they too match its 6.67 right down to the 100th shares. They coincide, really, that's how it is, as if they were made at the same factory for scanners, I can say, which I like better Pocophone solution on the side for me scanner. It's more convenient for me to take the phone in my right hand and I'm automatically fingered right away. Button goes down and unlocks simply 1 second here, a little longer. It tap everything twice, and then down. Look where to put your finger, that is. Well, it's not intuitive, that is. I can do it here, just, well, even without looking, just like that. Put your finger on it, I'll get there anyway. Don't even look at this button. I need it once and for all. I need it here. Be sure to look at your phone to take a break, attach it, and then he will unlock it. I don't like this. I don't know why I don't. I also like that. There is unlocking by the face of both smartphones, works very well quickly, and here and there you can unblock with the help of the face. Also, these are all smartphones still brand new 2023. Even though it's 2023 year of release at the beginning, it came out, this one is already at the end of 23 years in the second half, but they both work at 13 Android respectively. And also these phones, current versions of Android current and firmware versions 2 current for Pocophone, is MIUI 14. And it will already be updated to MIUI 15, already clear, confirmed here with US X proprietary shell 13 version 13.1 here, RAM expansion. So we have both, don't forget the 8 gig option RAM. And let's see who of them has more extension. So go to extension, Infinix has a maximum extension of 8 gigabytes. While the background is just 5 GB, that is, we can get it from Infinix 16.8 plus 8, and here we can get 13.8 plus 5, that is, Infinix is a little richer expansion now by processors. What regarding processors? Which one is cooler? Look at the installed processors already of a high level. One might say 4 tops above average media library, Dimensky 8050, and here Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G. Both processors with 5G support. Both processors are produced in 6 nanometers, both 8-core processors, but this processor has higher frequencies here. The maximum frequency is 3 GHz. Here are 2 and 4, that is, at 600 MHz, the frequency is lower for the Pocophone video core. Also different for Infinix, for us Media Library Praise G77, here branded Adrena 642L, and the memory is also different here, UFS 31, here 2.2 in Antutu benchmark. The indicators are as follows. Pocophone dials 530,000 and 750 practically dials Infinix, that is. Our Infinix is more powerful, but at the same time it heats up more and loses more battery during the test. Twice! That's how it's really more powerful for your money, and here it turns out that for your money, MediaTek better than Snapdragon. Because for $300 to us can offer MediaTek 8050, which reaches 800,000. Yes, very powerful a processor that will last for a long time, and for the same $300 Snapdragon can offer a 778G, which in principle is no longer to say that it's just very powerful, good average, but no longer playable there. Not just any, but thanks optimization. Yes, they will probably come from him. It takes a long time to come out with some custom ones. The firmware is good video core, and yet Snapdragon now considers quality longer, seems to be supported. Yes, people trust him more. Although the processor is newer than 8050 and more powerful. What the most important thing is newer and more powerful in multi according to the test in both smartphones. We touch for 10 touches. The sensor is not dull, does not glitch, everything reads fine. Also available NFC module in both cases can be set up contactless payment world. Pay, let's say. Yes, there is one here too. Well, no, be sure to pay, that is there by memory speed. Let me show you. Look here again, because here is faster memory speed. Read speed is higher, but write speed is higher. While the background here, 249, is generally small here. 598 memory writing speed is better. Like me, I understand it will be better here. The application installs faster here also. What else can I say performance? But both are 8-core. It's clear about throttling which one of them is. Of these, throttling is actually stronger throttling. They are 3 to bot, and about processors at the same level are quite powerful. And Infinix trot, about 30%, and so far also about 30%, that is, both graphs are already leaving, gradually decreases into the orange zone productivity, 15 minutes both here and there. Performance drops by about 30%. Next point regarding the camera, who is cooler than the camera? Well, see more camera kit for me. I like Pacaphone because it has, is there at least a wide-angle camera? Yes, I have a wide camera. I have a regular camera and can do zoom up to 10x here. I don't have a wide camera. I have a regular camera and I can also do zoom up to 10x. What main camera modules? 108 megapixels, and here 108 and here 108. But for now, the background is a little larger sensor 1:1, and 52 here, 1:1 out of 67, that is here. Larger camera module and means there will be more light, there will be pictures, it turns out better. Aperture f/18 f1.9 here. Infinix. Additional wins with us. Infinix cameras have 2 plugs of 2 each. Megapixels absolutely clueless. 2 plus 2. Here, Shirik 8 is 1.2 megapixel camera macro. Well, Pocophone is definitely better due to the width by rear camera 108 here. It should be specific like this. Let's say specific Zaruba, so 108 megapixels. And here too, Infinix is much easier. By the way, 108 megapixels are included at the top. You just poke, and that's it. But at the Pocophone, you need to go into the very god to go to the point. There are also 108 here, and it's like this. Every time doing this is inconvenient. I think that Infinix done correctly. Let's try to take a photo distant object. Let's see who will be on. It's better to take pictures from a long distance, but I think that there is also a function here. It will show better while the background still wins. So again, we see that in the rear camera also, while the background gives a lighter color picture and more yellow. Look at laminate color. Well, at the Pocophone. Yes, at it there is such a yellowish tint, but actually, in fact, there is such a laminate. I'm on it now, I see. He is like that in life here. He is some more calm, so here that, oh, here along the way, but Varante and in Dimage here is better read on Infinix sticker type. No warranty if damaged. But for now, the background has already gone. There are some wild noises here at least. Black color remains black on, while background black plastic, some white gray, well, by background. To be honest, yes, he is. Whitens photographs, brightens photography is too much. Sometimes, so, okay, that's not what I was focusing on. Focused on, this can look, while the background I can say, so it turned out softer or something photo. Yes, code background, as if the rear camera does not take out, I know how to explain. Well, more precisely, somehow everything is already loose here. Everything is already loose, Infinix, and soften up. Come on, if let's look at... Well, damn, the result is very similar, but difficult. Also make a specific choice. Yes, interesting guys here. Probably Infinix will even give a fight. Well, Infinix has still some more natural colors. Here, by the way, the yellowish tree turned out just right, some painted yellow. Thing with flowers, while the fund loves the color yellow, he survived and is drawn to it, how to say makes this more intense. The corner is also more like this. It's orange here, and it really glows yellow, while the background is a little, of course, embellishes last test. This is night mode for Infinix. It is, for some reason, it's called super night is here, Pocophone. Just calm mode night everything. Night here, but there's probably a Pocophone here again. Because what I didn't like about Infinix made the sky at the top of the frame, the sky for some reason turns sharply green, as if here the green stuff was poured here too. Why such mistakes are hard. Sky. Why from where there's some kind of green color there, the corners are green? It just seems like I just ruined the frame. I don't understand at all. Where did he get the green color from? Here on Pocophone, great dark sky, the night sky, and, well, Phoenix. But the bottom part of the photo turned out better for me. It seems like the grass is somehow better here, and here he highlighted what Pocophone has already left in the shadows. That is, this is what I see here, like an old one. Such a thing to get here. Metal on Pocophone, it's already dark also. I see here sandbox on Infinix below. Well, sort of, I see that there is something there, Pocophone. You can't see anything at all, it's all black. There is, as it were, yes, a night mode. That's if it wouldn't be such an artifact. It would probably be better if so. Here it is. Well, although, yes, the sky is more truthful, more so. Let's say natural, but this... You can really see the sky so dark night. Yes, on Pocophone, but what kind of sky am I? Understand at all what this greenish thing is, some kind of white flares, so flares, how it works with light. But with light, it's about the same job. They don't let you zoom in on the picture very much. Well, damn, too. Shorter shots are not an amateur. Someone will like more than one. I like the second one more, but overall the cameras here are about what I said on one level is located. This level is not beginner level, is probably higher average again, above average. Possibilities include good video recording. Moreover, for 2 cameras on the front one, the back has a night mode, has HDR artificial intelligence, 108 megapixels, that is, well, such necessary features already now they are, so we still have here. Well, basically stereo sound both here and there. The sound is loud and high quality on both smartphones. It's very nice to listen to music. Poco has an infrared port X5 already said it's not here. 5G support is in. In both cases, the 5000 battery is also in. In both cases, there is no wireless charging. Not there, not there. They work the same. 2. Spend a day with them, but approximately 1.5 days can be completed. Good phones in terms of battery life. I can't eat batteries here, cordless. No charging, only wired. Charging only. But Poco will charge faster because he has a more powerful charger installed. Well, and in fact, probably everything. If probably draw some conclusion, you can say that he is Infinix, looks a little more interesting, younger Pocophone more strict, more so grown up on Pocophone. More probably everyone is familiar with MIUI XS here, which is not so popular now, but at the same time, Infinix is much better. I would say he has more power for his money, a more powerful processor is installed, and overall, he's not bad. He's really Pocophone competitor, real competitor, Pocophone at Pocophone. Of course, performance is slightly worse. But this Pocophone there is more. Infinix has slightly better equipment. Glass. Pagaphone has more powerful charging. Infinix has the ability to deliver flash drive. Pocophone no flash drive. The possibility of installing a flash drive like this, Pocophone infrared port from Infinix. But here is such a backlight. LED here is also ring. The flash, by the way, is also more powerful than on Pocophone. Normal flash is small round. That is, well, in short, that one has the other has its advantages, and to be honest, I don't even know which one I would take like this. On the one hand, I like cameras Pocophone. On the other hand, I like it. Infinix Performance GT10 Pro is for your money. One of the most powerful now phones, and I like the GT package 10 Pro. Here he has stickers, looks a little more cheerful somehow. Pocophone is like that of simple, but this one is kind of evokes emotions. In general, this comparison, it turned out to be about the same price category, similar characteristics with. Thank you for watching. It was Poco X5 Pro and new Infinix GT10 Pro. These are both phones with the prefix about everyone. Good luck. See you soon and bye to everyone. In any case, I can say that what if only you could take the phone, you wouldn't have bought them. Make the right choice because your money, these phones are just very good. Very, very best in short. Very, very good. Okay, everyone. Good luck, everyone.